Hello everyone, it's Karina with Karina Loves to Plan. Welcome back to my channel. I am filming this very late indeed. It is 10:10 p.m. on Monday night. I feel like this is the latest I've ever filmed and decorated my A5 planner. And what I will be decorating it with is, oh my god, did I even decide? Oh yes, is something from my new release coming this Friday. These are the Watercolour Pansies, and the reason that I'm filming this so late is because I would have filmed this maybe about an hour ago, but the originals that I created for this just printed out so faint and it didn't show off all the colors that I wanted it to, so I had to go and look at my printer settings, and then I had to go in and actually change the saturation and the brightness of this in the actual Procreate file, but now it looks closer to the original painting and I am happy with it. So in the Watercolour Pansies, these are all hand painted by me using fountain pen ink, and then I scan them and make them into the stickers that you see here. So this is the deco sheet, and these are printed on clear matte, but you can get them on premium white matte as well. And then you have the dots and swatches, or the circles and swatches. You have the big circles, and then you have the quote and washi. So let's go ahead and get started. I was trying to decide what pens I wanted to use with this, so I think I'm going to be using probably my Atelier Lusso, which has Rouille, or my Esterbrook Estie Nouveau Bleu, which has Pilot Iroshizuku Tsuki-Yo, or pull that out, I have my Just Turnings in the, oh my gosh, this beautiful abalone, and it has Robert Oster Sydney Darling Harbor. So each of those would probably match with this really well, and I'm going to use some of this. And this washi is from the Washi Tape Shop. And I discovered that they are actually Canadian, which I love. I absolutely love. So I'm going to, let's see, I feel like that big one, oh, there goes Lucy. She barking at. I feel like I could put this one in the corner here. Yeah, I think it would go well in that corner here. And then up here, I'm gonna put yellow with a bit of that red. There we go. And then maybe put a blue pansy with it, or the big yellow one. I think having contrasting pansies might work out better. There we go. Then I'm going to do something similar here, but maybe with the washi down here, and also still with this. And if, oh gosh, let me turn off my computer, hold on. Okay, and then take a little bit of this and put this up here as well, and a bit of this washi. I love this because it's just, it looks like a big field of pansies, which I really like. Actually, I feel like I'm gonna put maybe a smaller circle, maybe the red one, down over here. Ooh. Then there we go. Is it straight? Nah, it's okay. All right. And then I'm going to put something, oh my gosh, Lucy. And then I'm gonna put something down here, probably a blue one. Why is she having a conniption at 10 o'clock at night? Oh, she's probably barking at something that my husband is doing. Hold on. My husband is watching Ghostbusters and Lucy was barking at the monsters in there. Anyway, let's put, actually, I'm gonna try and use this washi as much as I can, because I mean, why not? Because it's cute. Okay, let's put that down, and then I'm going to put this. I actually really like that I have this bottom area to decorate now rather than put meals down there. It's not like I was really using it for the meals anyway. Then here we go. Oh, and then I was putting habits, right? Yeah, so I could put another pansy here, or I could put a big one here and then the habits here. Either way, I think it would look really pretty. Yeah, I'd probably have that one hanging off the page. So let's do this. And I might keep it very simple and not add anything else to it, just leave it like so. And then cut off that little bit on the end here. And then, gosh, I feel very awkward doing it like that. So let's do it like this. There we go. Okay, and then I can add the rest of that in as we go. But what I'm gonna do first is go ahead and write in the sleep schedule. So I'm gonna grab my Tombow Fudonosuke brush pen, there it is, and write in the word sleep. And then use one of these, probably, let's go with this one. And then I'm going to use my Atelier Lusso, and this currently has Herbin, Rouille, which is probably the closest match I could find for this. And writing in my sleep schedule is kind of hit or miss. Some weeks I'm really good at it, and other weeks I'm like, meh. But I'm okay with that. I try not to pressure myself too much to do any of these. And then, and really the main reason for that is because I want to make sure that this is still fun for me, rather than something that feels like work out. And putting the blue, there we go. And then I'm going to use this pen. This currently has a vintage nib. What is it? 9126. So I'm interested to see how I like it this week, because it's got a bit of bounce to it and a bit of an architect edge to it. So Tuesday will be again 10 rounds, week 1. I believe they start with upper, I can't remember. And then Wednesday, 10 rounds, week 1. For anybody who's familiar with any of the Beachbody or body workouts, I'm combining my stepper training, I guess, with doing the 10 rounds weight training exercises and doing each of the weight training exercises twice a week, and then doing the stepper just on its own 3 days a week. But then I also, after I do these weight training exercises or the workouts, which are normally anywhere from like 25 to 30 minutes, then I do the stepper for a good 45 minutes after. And I find that it's actually really well balanced for me that way. Okay, then now that I know I have a little bit more room here. Wow, Karina, you really shouldn't film Plan With Me's at 10 o'clock at night. But I wanted to get this done, or else I just wouldn't feel like anyway, I can barely even talk, but that's okay. So today, Monday, my work shift was only from 4 to 7:30, but it's because the rest of the week is kind of wonky. And then, let's see, what day is this? Tuesday, start at regular time of 8:30. Same with Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday. And then Friday, I also work 4 to 7:30. And then I'm actually on call on Saturday from about 6 to 11. So now that I have all of that, then I can use these. I think I'll go in this order. So actually put blue furthest away from where blue originally was. Then the yellowy, then pink. And then start again. And the yellowy first, then the pink down here. And then, yeah, I'll put a blue sticker for the on-call. Okay, then going in with my pens to draw out my work shifts, and there we go. I don't care too much about making sure that those lines are straight. I know some people do, but for me, it's not the biggest deal about whether or not it's straight. I like that imperfection. Then here, making sure I've got my blotting paper. All right. There we go. Oh, that one is really not straight. That's okay. All right. Now I can actually start putting in things like, for example, garbage day is Wednesday, but we put out all the bins and things on Tuesday evening. When I say we, it's really my husband who puts them all out, and Henry is the one who goes around the house collecting them. Today, I was supposed to actually fold laundry this evening, but with how behind I got with putting everything, like creating these sticker collections, folding laundry will have to go to tomorrow. Put out garbage, and I'm okay with that. Then I haven't even meal planned or ordered groceries today. Today's just gone to this. And sometimes there are days like that, and I'm okay with that. Wednesday, honestly, well, Wednesday's Valentine's Day. Notice I'm not decorating for Valentine's Day, and that's okay, because in my daily spread I will be decorating for Valentine's Day. Then Thursday we pick up groceries. Ooh, finishing a sticker sheet. I'm actually keeping track of all of the sticker sheets that I have finished. I actually put a date stamp on them. Pick up groceries. I put a date stamp on them because, and this is my, oh, where is it? Oh, there. Here's my date stamp, and I finished it today, which is the 12th. And when I ordered it, I was just really happy to have the date, month, year, and then didn't read that the months are going to be in French. Oh well, not the biggest deal, but that is the day that I finished them. Perfect. And then now I can start using those ones, which will be nice. And then those laundry ones. I'm trying really hard to work through my sticker stash, through all of my icons, through all of my ink samples, actually. Like for the month of February so far, I think I've used 9, which is a lot. What else? Okay, so I think I can also use these lovely little dots. So let's see, 10 o'clock, we've got Weight Watchers. And then I really have no other plans before I pick up the kids. So actually, I could do some filming. It's funny, I ended up filming my passport planner, and I could use the yellow. My passport planner, Plan With Me, and of all the weeks I chose, of course, it's going to be the week that I really have not too much going on outside of the house, which I thought was funny. Oh, make sure those stay down. So film, be new pen. Yes, there is a new pen arriving. There's one other thing that I needed to film on this new ink haul as well. And then I need to film A5. All right, and then pick up the kids after, and then I gotta work. And then that evening, we have a big birthday dinner at my parents' house. So it's actually a joint birthday. I was trying to say joint and birthday at the same time. 7 o'clock at my mom's or my parents' house. Birthday celebration. Okay. Then, oh, one thing I haven't put down here is my habits. And it's actually so much better for me to be able to keep my habits on a weekly page like this. That way I'm looking at it regularly rather than having to flip to my daily page. I'm gonna use I haven't even used my Just Turnings pen for this. So the habits that I'm trying to work on are basically my audiobook, listen to my audiobook, and read 10 to 15 pages a day, and also, what was the other one? Meditate every night before bed, and then number of sticker sheets that I use. So Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Friday, Saturday, Sunday. Oh, I like that. Okay, Saturday, no plans that I know of as of yet. And Sunday, I'm not going to put anything down yet because my daughter and I plan to go skiing, but that all depends on the weather. Okay, let me clean this up and then I will get right back to you. All right, so as you can see, it's very bare at the minute, but I'm actually going to be filming a daily journaling video where I'm going to show you how I fill this out throughout the week, as well as how I set up my daily journal in the back. Oh, one thing I've been meaning to show you. So last week, if you watched my plan with me, you know that I went to get a tattoo, my first ever, and I did put a little reel on my Instagram stories, but here is the tattoo. It's under a bandage at the moment, so I'm wearing this bandage until Thursday. Got the tattoo on Saturday and I'm keeping it till Thursday. So it was supposed to be 5 days, but it's basically an outline of Lucy on lower part of my wrist here, and it's actually healing nicely. It was quite red for the first 24 hours and it's much better now. So there it is. And the story behind it basically is, I said that when I turned 40, I wanted to get a tattoo. It is almost 11 months after I turned 40, so a little late, but I just decided to go ahead and do it, and I booked the appointment, and I found this really cute drawing that I added a few curls to just so that it would be Lucy, and yeah, love it. All right, so that is it for me. Thank you all so much for watching. If you have any questions, please leave them in the comments below. If you like this video, please leave me a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching and have yourselves a great day.